Ellie, Vybz Kartel is free. How do you feel about that?
It's a cartel free, youth. I'm telling you this right now. Every other Caribbean country can pack it up right now. We don't care what we ever go on with. Just pack it up right now. Jerry and nephew sell out already. Clark's sell out already. The girl them start sell them front for buy tickets for your concert or even start sell ticket yet. All of the man them here talk about, me now make my girl go Dexter Dub's concert. You know which concert them are going to do? Kartel. Remember say Kartel say, give me the breath, no me icky the breath. I'm tell you, go easy, man. Your girl get tech youth. You understand what I say? People tell all them mother house and them something there. People crazy youth. Madness. Eh? Big nose Andrew let up thump the ear right now. See Andrew let say I'm house. Andrew let thump down the place right now. Right now, if Andrew Holness' wife goes to go and get too close, she'll get a thump in her face to the way the man cross up. None of them don't want to let go Kartel. But here I know, no? Kartel free. I'm telling you this. People are tell all them heart. And I live off of lungs and liver. Just for the Kartel youth. When people find dedicated like that, just go easy, man. One world boss. I want to tell you youth.
Kartel free in a Killa. How you feel?
Well, I never knew that Vybz Kartel was free until I went downtown to buy laundry detergent. And I took up the soap and the woman looked me dead in the mirror and tell me she had 12 grand for one blue bomber. I said, go suck your mother. But nevertheless, me glad say my son there road. Me glad say him have him freedom and me glad say him can come take over back dancehall. Because dancehall I get flimsy. Them boy a wobble like steel in a chuck back. Them a wine more than the girl, them and the girl them a rifle walk a bus gun in a people's face. Me got a bunty Sunday I try dance with one girl, she turn round and stay so. Me see her with the blood clot this. The girl them need back somebody fi tell them say them pump my VIP. The girl them need somebody fi tell them say, oh, me a the man fi hickey the breast. You understand me I say youth? Turn up the scheme and them something there. Somebody need to come talk back to the girl them. Dexter Dubs alone can't do it, you, right? I know me a bad man from them time till now. So we not too sure feelings. How we ain't about the dealings. And you is a good podcaster because you know come ask me about certain communities. H, L, G, G, and all type of community. The only community I know is Gaza youth. Right? Big up Gaza. Big up Gaza youth. You're a good podcaster youth. Don't ask me no about a community. You understand me as a youth? Oh.